Hi everyone, we've got an extra little video that I'm just chucking in today, and really it comes from the last analysis video that I did where we had the car parked at the side of the road opening the door. Now, a couple of the comments were talking about the Dutch reach method of opening the door, and I've known about this for a number of years, to be honest, and I do pass it over to my pupils and my instructors, but not many people do understand what it is. So thanks for all the comments. It's inspired this video, and it might just get a little bit more road safety out, and this is what we're going to do today. Quite simply, it's a way of opening the door. For me though, it seems absolutely ludicrous that you wouldn't check and see this car coming before opening. It seems absolutely bizarre to me, but if we can get the message across to maybe do things in a slightly different way, brilliant, no problems. So all I'm going to do, I'm just going to quickly zoom this camera out so you can see a little bit about what I'm doing. And now this door, if I was opening it, naturally a lot of people would go with the hand nearest the door, and if I opened it now, luckily enough, you can see the great example there. Without looking, I would have pulled that door open into that red car. So the Dutch method, all it simply is going for the door with the opposite hand, the hand furthest away from the door. And naturally what it does, it encourages the people to twist, to actually look before they open it. Now I take it one stage further as well, to be honest. I don't know whether this is the original method from Holland or whether it's just something that I've picked up from it. But what I actually tend to do, I tend to get my pupils and my instructors to hold the handle with their opposite hand and open the lock with the nearest one to them. And that then also adds the other benefit of the door not being blown too far. Today it's a little bit windy, and that wind could very well blow the door even further, so that's another small advantage to it. But the main thing, if you look at the difference just in my seating position, if I was getting out, I don't need to twist whatsoever to open it with that hand, but actually when I use this hand I have to twist, and already that's drawing me across towards my right mirror where I can see this silver car coming. So try and get used to doing this Dutch reach method, even opening doors. It's a simple little point, but it's a really important one. If you didn't see the video, I'll whack a link and you can have a little look at it. Thanks for paying attention, put it into your driving, and I'll see you all soon.